Yeah, sure. I'm Andrew Eaton. I am the head of Cisco's automation business for Asia Pac and Japan. I look after service providers in my responsibility. I have general management responsibility for setting the strategy around our go-to-market, working with our customers and our partners to define our strategy, and also with the business units to develop compelling offers for our customers. As part of that role, I also my team is responsible for taking customers on an automation journey, and I guess we'll talk about that as we go through. So Cisco has been working in the virtualization space for many years. Service providers have been virtualizing their data centers, first of all. That's been happening for many years. Now they're mobile packet core. And now in my particular domain with automation, we have virtualization and software-defined networking solutions. Sitting underneath an umbrella we call Crosswork, and that framework, that automation framework, we have building blocks that sit under that. As part of those building blocks, we have compelling offers, which we call use cases. And those use cases are used or positioned to drive business outcomes. We try to package those up in a way that customers consume them easily, commercially compelling, and obviously we try to measure those outcomes with our customers in a true strategic partnership mode or model, if you like. This is an interesting one. I'm still dealing with some customers who haven't started on that journey. They may have done their data centers, they may be looking at their mobile packet core, but really they've done nothing else. They haven't launched to learn. They don't have the experiences, they haven't operationalized virtualized environments. They haven't introduced something as simple as network orchestration, so activation and multi-vendor, multi-domain environments, service orchestration as well. So we've got a solution in this space I guess we'll talk to in a minute, but you can take them on that journey. I think there's two camps. One of the service providers that are innovating, usually the tier 2s and tier 3s, or those that actually have a compelling event that's driving innovation and push to automation and virtualization. Some markets are moving faster to 5G, which is a compelling event for virtualizing and software-defined networking, and others are really still caught up in a procurement process. So we're working closely with them to find the compelling event, the compelling use case, and a return on investment to get them started. But many of the early adopters have started without that compelling event to get the learnings, the experience, and now they're utilizing that as they move into 5G. So 5G is obviously going to drive the virtualization and SDN. Also SD-WAN, it's a $2 billion market opportunity. It's one that I'm seeing a lot of interest from service providers. IoT is another driver as well, which will come off the back of 5G. Really, we've had some tremendous customer meetings. We've got some demos around the room, all the solutions we have. Really, we're trying to lead our customers on an automation journey and how to start that journey. We've got different solutions, building blocks as you like, that they can start with. We're looking at compelling offers, compelling use cases with a sound business case and ROI, but they're not always the way to start, right? They have to get started on this journey to launch, to learn, to operationalize new services, and that takes a bit of convincing. So really it's Cisco is a trusted partner in this space. We've got many customers, top 6 customers that we have are the biggest service providers in this market. And we've got production environments with many different use cases. So it's really how they start that journey. And we've got many ways they can do that and proof points now. So that trust, that strategic partnership has really evolved over the last couple of years as we get into production with customers and we learn together and we refine our offers together. Yeah, I think it's a bringing together of the industry. Some great minds, some great conversations, great ideas, and really we've got some key takeaways, right? And it's in a relaxed atmosphere. I think it's been organised very well. And a positive outcome really is just the networking and the really engaging conversations we've had with our customers.